Allie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be talking about why it's important to thank your advisors, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can make a gift basket for them on a budget. So right here I just have all this stuff that I will be putting in my particular basket, and by the time this video is up, my advisor will have already seen it. I think it is really important to thank your advisors when you are in college because they do a lot for you, or at least they do in my case if you take advantage of what they have to offer. I am constantly in the advising office asking for my degree audit, where I am in terms of graduation, asking for advice on things like which classes I should be taking. That's who you go to if you need to drop a class or withdraw from one. And basically they have a ton of different services they offer, and I just think it's important to show your gratitude to them, which is why every year I make a gift basket for my advisor. And I figured this year I would take you guys along with me and show you what I got in case you guys need ideas. You can also easily do this for just an average teacher if you do end of the year gifts. And I will try to have as many of the products linked down below for you guys. Starting off, I like to get a cute basket or box to put everything in. This year I went with these gold wire ones, and they are from Walmart. They came in packs of 2, which was nice because I did actually do 2 different gift baskets for my 2 different advisors. It was less than $3 for both of them together, and I actually have a ton of these in my room because I love them so much. So this is what I will be putting everything into. And for extra decorations, I got some really cute blue tissue paper to line the bottom with, and then I just got some of the brown paper shreds. These both just came from the gift wrapping section at Target. And then getting into the actual gifts, I figured I will finish up with the Target ones. First off, I got this little container. I'm not going to take it apart because it is all taped together and stuff, but it is just a little succulent pot, and the top comes off, and I figured they can keep it on their desks and put paper clips in it, and it was just super duper cute. Also from Target, I got a candle. You can never go wrong with a candle. This one is just pink. There is no scent on it. However, it smells amazing. It's very florally, and it has the gold top, so I figured it would go really well. And then lastly, this was probably the best thing ever, and this is something I found on Etsy, and it is just a stemless wine glass, and it says because students, and I figured this was really funny because I'm sure that I drive my advisors to drink, and I'm sure there are a ton of other students who do the same, and I just thought it was a really funny and nice gift to get them. They are actual glass, and they came all nicely wrapped up in bubble wrap. They didn't break in the shipping process, and they can be found on Etsy. I will have it linked down below. And they're from the Etsy shop Mac and Maddie. She offers a ton of different wine glasses with different sayings on them. She has one for nurses, one for teachers, and there is just a wide variety of stuff, and I absolutely love every single item in her shop, and I can't wait to see the reaction on my advisors' faces when they open these, and I hope that they laugh just as much as I do about it. And that is everything that is going into these gift baskets. Like I said, I think it is very important to thank your advisors for all that they do for you, and to show my appreciation, I always like to give them a gift basket, and figured I would show you guys as well. Be sure to check out Mac and Maddie on Etsy. They have a ton of different stuff, and I absolutely love the shop. And like I said, I will have these items linked down below for you guys. I hope you guys like this video and that it gives you some ideas. If you guys did like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week, and would love it if you'd become part of our Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!